Hey family, Robert here. I'm gonna make this quick video, and if I can help any of you guys out there, what we're gonna be talking about is Facebook and Instagram Reels. Again, it's gonna be a very short video. I was invited on June the 9th, yeah, and again, I knew what Reels were. I've made a few, just like literally a couple of those. Not really cared about it, but I got the invite, and it is invite only, and it's been fun these last maybe like 20 days that I've done it. But I'm going to talk about how to monetize it, how to start making money with this new way, Facebook and Instagram Reels. Yeah, again, it's invite only. So I'm going to be sharing literally what I make, what I did make, and then you guys can follow along my journey. But here's the thing though, I will gladly let you know every step of the way what I do, how I'm doing it. Only if you guys let me know, if you like this type of content. If you're really interested in Facebook and Instagram Reels, then I will let you know and document my journey. But other than that, I'm going to continue to give you guys as much value as possible, let you know exactly how it's going. So far, these last 20 days, I've actually really had fun with it. But again, show you how to make money with it, how to monetize it. Instagram is actually paying, or Facebook is really paying, or Meta, whatever word you want to use. They are paying for each reel. It's really cool. So again, if you continue to follow me, I will show you how much I'm making. I'm gonna probably put up a screenshot somewhere here or there, or I don't know, to show you, just literally show you the proof. But again, if you're looking for a way to make some additional money, and some people are making up to $35,000 a month. That's crazy, right? I don't even know what that's like, but anyways, mine was $1,200, so that's what they offered. But again, I'll share with you exactly what I did or did not make. But I want you to let me know if you like this. If people like this type of content, then I will continue to keep making it and keep you updated and post it. But other than that, I'm going to see how this video goes here. Again, I will definitely keep bringing it to you if you let me know you like it. So again, I'm Robert. Cheers. Subscribe, follow me, hit a like, leave a comment. You know the drill. Cheers.